1, go. Oh, look at this, man. What, your left testicle stuck? Right, ready when you're. Oh, the views are quite good as well, aren't they? Look at it, you can see everything. Oh, he's leaning off, he's getting his ass off the bike. It made sense. Whoa, look at the shit in the road. Fucking farmers. These corners are all deceiving. They look like they're tight, but you just got to come off the throttle and just roll it. It's alright. If you see me weaving in your mirrors, it's because I'm trying to warm up the other side of my tyres. What area is this? What town is this? Little village? Whelshpool. It's quite a cool name, isn't it? Where do you live? Whelshpool. What's the shit in the middle of the road? I might go in front for a little bit, so we can just film some of these roads, catch some of this. Hopefully we can catch some of that fog. See it? Why do Wales make such good roads, man? Fucking hell. Tractor on the other side of the road, watch it, right. Fucking hell, mate, what amazing roads. You still recording? Hey GoPro, are you taking this cold weather? Fucking voice is steaming up again. Ah. Whew, I can't see anything in my mirrors now. Look, it's all fucking inside of my visors the same. Jesus Christ. I've got the ice thing on my dash as well now. So, it's clear. Clear. Yeah, clear, still clear. No cars, clear. I'm just trying to cruise this in 4th gear and try not to brake, just cruise in 4th, just take the bumps, take the corners nice and steady. This is fucking amazing. Hardly even have to lift off the throttle for some of these, just ever so slightly, just come off. Oh, it's a bit of a sharp corner here, dead pheasant. This is a 2nd gear for me. Yeah, isn't it? And up to third, these nice little twisties, take them in 3rd. Loads of dead animals on the road, man. Araf, slow down. Oh, look how sketchy the road is here. Whoa, that's a bit tight, isn't it? Whoa, dead fucking animal in the middle of the road. Yeah, it's all wet around here. Watch the roads are right. Yeah, man. Another dead pheasant. Fucking hell, they must have clocked him. Oh, that's better. Right. Back up to 4th. Let's keep it consistent. When it's sharp like this in front of me now, I drop down to 3rd. There's another pheasant, a live one. Oh, I nearly hit it. Mad bastards. There's another one. Jesus, another dead one in the road. Fucking hell. Actually, yeah, I don't know. If we hit one, we'd probably lose the front tyre, wouldn't you? And then that's it. One of the many hazards of coming to Wales, to get attacked by pheasants on the road. At least the sheep stay where they are, or they just stay in the middle of the road like fucking stubborn bastards. Exactly. They're not phased, are they? They don't give a fuck. There's another one on the left. Fucking hell. I'm pulling over here. Oh, maybe. What, your left testicle stuck? You got a fucking wedgie. Old man problems, innit? Old man problems. Fucking have to. It's mad to think it's only 9 o'clock and we're fucking way into Wales somewhere. I can't remember this if we came down here last time. This looks fucking beautiful. It's sort of like that other road we went on. Remember the one we did? It looks like that. Yeah, that Black Mountain Pass thing. Yeah, it looks like that, man. A nice uphill climb. Yeah, this is longer, isn't it? Yeah. Right, it's clear. Right, Barmouth. We are leaving Barmouth, guys. Look at that. First gear helps. Oh, look at this, man. Just look at this road and this view. It's from this angle coming back this way. It's amazing, man. It should look fucking epic on the photo, on the GoPro. Whoa, he's turning left. Did he just indicate last minute? Fucking cunt. Yeah, I think the bike feels more settled when you're actually off the bike. It's weird. Because when you're sitting on it, it's a bit bouncy, but when you're off it, and obviously the suspension's unloaded because you're off it, it can handle the road better. Yeah, that's alright. Scared the learner driver. He actually moved right out the way, like right into the hedges and the bushes. I stuck my hand out and said thanks anyway, so. Oh, it's clear, clear. Well, let's do the little drag, quick. Slow down a little bit. Right, 3rd gear. Alright, right there. 30, 3, 2, 1, go. I've literally got like 1 second head start and that's it. Oh, what a road. Great, good call, boy. Oh, sweet. Just take it easy. 4th, 5th gear, just cruise, man. The only thing about Wales is they spoil it with these little villages every fucking 5 minutes. Whoa, is that a tractor in front? Or something in front? And the bus can't even overtake it. Look, there's a fucking bus stuck behind it. Go, 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 go. Yeah, good lad. Look at this road, man. It's fucking dead straight. Vic, we found the perfect road for you in Wales. We just keep going straight. There's a sign for Bala here that says turn right. There's a petrol station. I'm turning right. Okay, just turn right there.
That was a good dodge.
Yeah, hey, they got 99 as well. Fucking hell.
I don't know why I did that.
Yeah, I gave you a heads up as well. Alright, so I am just filled now. So that was 10 litres, so 80 miles, 10 litres. I think that's pretty good. I think I must have number 4, please. Cool. So you I love this fucking Apple Watch shit. Tap and go. Thank you very much. It's the worst thing on this bike. The only thing that's missing is cruise control and no fucking petrol gauge. Perfect. Speed cameras, cheeky bastards. It should stand out a mile, the speed camera. You know what? Can it be better? Can it be better than this though? I mean, Wales is fucking got some high standards, man. Look at that, man. Fucking hell. Oh man, look at this road. How have we not found this road before? Oh, look at that. Whoa. Amazing. Fucking UK ain't too bad, you know, guys. UK ain't too bad. Way, go on, son. I didn't see a single speed camera down there, bruv. This is good sat nav choice. That was good sat nav choice. Whoa, the Porsche is going. He's giving it some. He's off. It looks like a classic, doesn't it? Looks nice. He's on the beans. He is. Look at him. Alright, let's clear these little slow trucks. Second gear torque, squirt and go. Oh, nice. Yeah, let's go.